Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you which fidget toys are worth it and which ones are not. So, I'm going to have a fidget collection out here. As you can see, I have a bunch of fidgets. So, let me show you my fidget. Let me show you which fidgets are worth it or not. These sponge fidgets, I just don't think they're worth it. Like, I mean, they are cool, but like, they're so hard to squeeze. Now, some of them are easier, but you know, I just don't think they're worth it. Next things are squishies. I have a bunch of squishies, so I gotta collect them all. Now, squishies here. I think they are worth it. Like, totally worth it. So worth it. Hold on, wait. This one. Here we go. So worth it right here. This is all worth it. A lot of that. Where's that? Okay. Oh, right. I should probably. Oh, Ack! Oh, skip. Okay. Finally. Okay. The next thing are monkey noodles. Now, hear me out. These, right here, these are amazing. Like, what do you mean? These are not, how could you say these are not amazing? Look at this. They are perfect. Perfect. And they're squishy and stretchy and perfect for the go, and you can tie them anywhere and put them into a roll. They're just so worth it. Like, I'm telling you, worth it. Worth it here. Now, if you have siblings, these are perfect. Not for baby stuff. But I have an older sister and an older brother, and I love to fight with you, and it's amazing. So yeah, definitely worth it. Totally, and when you have a big group of them, you can squish them. Next things are Neatos. I personally think they're worth it. Now, I only have cat Neatos. I don't have regular noodles. Neatos, not noodles. But, you know, I just haven't gotten them yet. But I do think they're worth them. Getting so worth it. Next thing I think are worth buying. Oh, I have another another monkey. Okay. Next things are Martian Nibbles. Now, these are freaking amazing. Like, look at them. Like, and I have two of them. They're like jumbo. And then, like, compared to this one, look at it. Look at it. Look at it. They're just so much bigger. Now, I like these bigger ones because they're, like, made bigger. I don't know why. They're just really good. And, like, if you're just, like, going somewhere, like, this is perfect for fidgeting because it, like, fits in your hand and, like, you can just, and you can do this, squish it, and it goes really big. So, definitely think they're worth it. Right here, worth it, definitely. Next, I have Wacky Tracks. Now, I have this thin one right here. Goes around a lot, and it's got a different, and then this one's like harder. Now, Wacky Tracks. Now you can move them around, and then you can shape them. Like, how does that work? And it's square, and you can make a circle. like you can like move it all around, and then you can like stay. Like how? And then like I don't get it. I think these are half worth buying. So yeah, half worth buying. So you could buy them, not buy them. They're pretty good, but for me, I like both. I like them, but I think they could have been a little bit better. Next are the best thing in the world, which are the poppets. Now, I had another poppet. I just don't know where it went. Like, how? It's basically like bubble wraps that you can pop forever. It's so nice. Like, and there's so many different shapes and colors and noises and different stuff. Like, how could somebody not like these? Yes, quiet side of my but like, don't know how anybody can not like these. So those are poppets. Now I have Rubik's Cube. Now the black Rubik's Cube, definitely worth buying. Like, so worth buying. It's like so fun. But I would not recommend buying this one. It's just so hard. Like, and I can't like lift it. You gotta like take your whole hand and move it. And it makes some weird noise and stuff. So not worth buying. Wouldn't recommend. Black ones, yes, just not these ones. Not the white ones. They're hard. Hard as a rock. Next are water timers. Now, like the wacky tracks, I think they could have been a little bit better. And they're half worth buying. So, there's nothing really to it. So, yeah. Those are them. Now then we have bake chains. These are really cool. I love them. My favorite one is this blue one right here. I have a yellow one too. I have another yellow one, but I think it's in my mom's fridge because I traded it with her. But anyways, this is like super nice. Like, they're easy to take on the go. You can flip them, and flip them. So nice. Oh, I have some. Okay, next we have mochis. Now, I love mochis. They are just so nice. And you can wash them so easily, but they do get really dirty and the face rubs off, but I still really like them. And they're so cute. So freaking adorable. Like, look at this bunny. Look at him. Just amazing. Then we have the stretchy men. Like, I mean, you can get these in capsule machines, but I wouldn't say they're that worth buying. So, like, you get to mess around with, but like, a little bit worth buying. Half worth buying. Then we have marshmallow bears, whatever they're called, I forgot. But these are definitely worth buying. Yep, and those are basically all of my fidgets. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!